Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to be bringing you a review of the incredible MXZ gaming PC Ryzen 5 5500 RTX3060 500GB NVMe WINDOWS10 Pro Key desktop computer. Trust me, if you're in the market for a powerful gaming system, this is the one for you. Let's dive into the details of the configuration. This PC is all about leading-edge gaming performance. With the powerful third-generation AMD Ryzen 5 5500 6-core processor and the 7nm Zen3 architecture, you'll have all the power you need to run the most demanding games like Fortnite, PUBG, World of Warcraft, and League of Legends with ease. Let's talk about storage. The 500GB SSD NVMe takes up much less space than traditional hard disk drives and loads all your games much faster. Plus, if you need more space, our customer service can help you add an extra HDD for an additional cost. We're here to fulfill all your needs. Not to mention, this PC comes with stylish cooling fans and customizable RGB LED lights for that extra touch of flair. And don't forget, we've got some free gifts for you too. Just contact our customer service for more details. Now, I know you might be concerned about taxes and warranty, but let me assure you that we've got you covered. While our prices are exclusive of any taxes, we provide a 1-year standard warranty for our products. And your positive feedback is highly appreciated. We're here to support you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing MXZ gaming PC. Trust me, you won't regret it. Happy gaming, everyone.